Hey Russell fam, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 YouTube do's and don'ts. We'll be back in just a second. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Becky and welcome. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. Here on this channel, I talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. And we also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. And if you are a returning Russell fam, I am so glad you are back. Okay, in today's video, we are going to talk about 10 do's and don'ts. And I've got my notes down here, so if you see me looking down, that's just to keep me on track. I'm going to tell you 5 do's, 5 don'ts, and then I'm going to talk about them. So I know lots of people are starting to do YouTube channels. Lots of homeschooling moms are doing YouTube channels, and I wanted to put this out there as something to help you, to encourage you, and to give you something to think about. And just to be honest, these are the things that I do and things I don't do on my YouTube channel here. So the first one is do be honest. Always be honest. The second one is do be real. The third one is do be relatable. The number 4 is do give helpful information. Number 5 is do give a different view on a topic that's out there. Okay, number 1 of the don'ts. Don't show your personal space and give out all your personal information. Number 2 don't show your kids doing things that will come back to haunt them. Number 3, do not air out your dirty laundry or your family's dirty laundry. Number 4, don't use profanity. And number 5, do not copy videos word for word. So now let's just talk about all of these. Now, when I say be honest and be real, there's a difference in being honest and being real and just showing stuff that doesn't really need to be shown. I feel that I can be real and honest and talk to you about my life, my homeschool life, my homemaking and things like that, but I don't have to show you my personal space. I don't have to show you my children's bedrooms. I don't have to show you my bedroom or my bathrooms or things like that. And I think that is just something that you should not do. So I can be honest, I can be real, but I can also not show you my real personal space. I think that is just something that just should not be out there, especially for kids these days. You never know. Let's just leave it at that. These days are just crazy. So you have to be real, be honest, but you don't have to be really honest and show those type of spaces. Give helpful information. I share as much information as I can. That's why I'm making this video. I share all of my homeschool curriculums. I'll leave a playlist up here if you'd like to see some of those. I do a lesson. I try to give new homeschooling moms as much support and encouragement as I can. That's why I started this channel, and that's why I started my blog, is because I want to support and encourage. I got so much encouragement from other homeschool moms when I started, and I just want to keep paying it forward. Okay, and what I mean by do give a different view on a topic and don't copy it word for word. As homeschool parents, we all are going to have the same topics. We're all going to talk about homeschool curriculums. We're all going to talk about how we homeschool, but we don't all do it the exact same way. So I may have a video on my Father's World first grade curriculum from my point of view, and another homeschool mom may have the exact same curriculum from their point of view. So that's what I mean about do and don't. Do have a video with a different point of view. Don't copy somebody's video word for word. Let's see. When I said, and what I mean about being honest, being real, another thing is what goes on the internet stays on the internet. So these videos that we record, we put on YouTube, yes, we want to be real, but if our kids are acting ways that we don't want to come back to haunt them in years from now, when we're dead and gone and these videos are still out there, we want to show our children real, but we don't want to show them in a way that is going to come back to bite them in the butt in years to come. We don't want to do anything that if they're going for a job interview or if they're trying to get into college or things like that, that these people can go back and look at and be like, nope, you said this, you did that, we're not going there. So when you're making YouTube videos, think about that is something that your children are going to have to live with, your decisions. So really think about what your children are doing, what they're wearing, how they're acting, what they're saying, things like that, because we don't want it to come back on them years from now. And airing out your dirty laundry, your family's dirty laundry. I don't mean your dirty clothes, because I know as all homeschool moms, we've got this pile of dirty clothes, we've got the pile of clean clothes, we just hadn't gotten there. I'm talking about your personal feelings, things that are going on with your mamas, uncles, aunts, brothers, cousins, sisters, goldfish. You just don't want to do that, because like I said, all these videos, they're always out there. What goes on the internet stays on the internet. So think about the content and what you're putting out before you put it out there. I know a lot of people do vlogs, and that's fine. That is perfectly fine. But think about what you're vlogging before you put it out there. So I hope these 5 do's, 5 don'ts have helped you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I would love to know what your do's and don'ts are on your channel, if they're the same as mine or different from mine. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment. As always, remember to be careful, be kind, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.